Well, if you want to walk around, let's go. Because there are 2 more.
Beautiful. Wow, we have a beautiful lake with a beautiful weather. I'm gonna see if I can do some photography here in this area today. It's just gorgeous today.
You can see the other lake. We didn't go up there.
Look at this beautiful greenery around the trail. There's 2. Which way we're taking?
Where's this one?
This trail looks gorgeous. With all this.
Oh, look.
What is it?
This one goes around the other pond. We never. Hey, we always go this way. It's the docks. This goes on the other pond, and then it joins. Want to see the other one?
Okay, let's go.
We never came this way.
No,
Or maybe we did. I don't know. I don't remember.
can't remember. Looks so beautiful.
You hear all the
Yeah. What is that? Crickets?
Maybe crickets, birds. Isn't there crickets? Oh, you have a gun?
Ready to
Look, that's the
photograph.
other lake. This is a little one. It's called Kids Pond.
Oh, so cute.
They say there's good fishing on this
That's
one.
not connected?
No, there's 3
It's
lakes.
connected.
No, there's 2. There's like the L shape, the long one, and there's the small one here.
Oh, there's an entering here. Look.
Yeah.
Quick look.
You never came to this one.
I thought that was the same. Are
They
you
say they
sure?
have good trout here. Good fish. See this other dock? Something was jumping there, like fish or something.
Yeah. See the leaves changing already. Look. It's beautiful.
The ground's already full of red leaves and
Yeah, this will be nice when the leaves change.
yeah, when you come later on, look at that tree turning red. Like, if we come in another maybe 2 weeks, in October around, Thanksgiving is the best. Thanksgiving time up north, everywhere you go is all 4 colors.
It's a cute trail. Oh, the first bird I hear. Where's the bird? There. I got the first wildlife. I have to be quiet because they cascade and they jump off, but they're cute little turtles in the tree down there. They're so cute. They're babies. I managed to get the first pictures. Yes. Let's continue the walk. We're gonna continue our walk here. Those turtles were so cute. Oh,
If you stop and look, you're going to see a lot of wildlife.
yes.
I saw those turtles by chance there.
Yeah.
Haven't heard too much bird sound. I was thinking, what's
No.
happening to the birds?
They migrated. It's already fall. A lot of them went south. They're waiting. They don't want to stay here for the winter time. If we come here in the spring, in May, then yeah, you're gonna see that. Look, if you don't look, you go for a swim.
Oh, wow.
And look what's at the end. You get stuck on the stick.
Oh, that's
Dangerous.
not good.
Dangerous.
Let's see what else we can find in this trail.
So, walking down the trail.
There's chipmunks. Where did they go? Disappear. There's chipmunks down there. It's a paddleboard.
Hmm.
I hear something. What is that?
Colors are changing on the. Beautiful. A big mix of trees. Here you have like evergreen.
Yeah.
With the color changing. These are permanent green. See, Christmas tree right there.
Oh yeah, nice.
Two Christmas trees. Another Christmas tree. That looks more like a Christmas tree. Oh, here you can pick which one you want.
Oh wow, there's so many, eh? You're not allowed to pick those.
This is a sign of the north. You know, this evergreen.
It's a little trail that way.
Yeah. That goes to the water again, I think.
Oh wow, it's farther than I thought.
Why? You think it's long?
Yeah.
No, it's all the way around.
beautiful. So we're almost at the end of the trail, so I'm gonna see what I got today for photography. So far, the most interesting thing were the little turtles.